Hello friends, welcome to Crystal Crafts. In this video, I'll be showing you how to make this awesome letterboard. This is an ideal way to display any occasion greetings on it. You can also display occasion sentiments like Merry Christmas, Happy Birthday, and welcome sentiments on it on any occasion. So let's get started and make this letterboard. So firstly, we're going to take a lid. This could be any lid. I'm going to take this greeting card box lid. So next, we're going to draw a rectangle on it. So we're going to draw a rectangle with a marker and a scale. So with a little bit of gap, we are going to draw another line beneath the first line to form a rectangle. So next, we're going to cut the rectangle out. So here you can see we have a slit in the lid. So next we're going to draw another rectangle in the similar way. We're going to also cut it out so that we will be left with two slits in the lid. So next we're going to wrap this with this pretty red wrapping paper. So we're going to place the lid on top of the wrapping paper, and we are going to trace the rectangle on it with a marker. So next, with the glue dot runner, I'm going to apply this all along the slit and all along the lid. I'm going to place the wrapping paper on the slit, and we are going to stick the wrapping paper on the lid as if we would wrap a gift. So here we have a wrapped lid which is looking really pretty. So next we are going to make letters for the letterboard. To make our letters, we are going to take this green felt, and I'm going to write my channel's name, which is Crystal Crafts, on it. So as I said earlier, you can make this to suit any occasion. You can make this for a Merry Christmas display board, or you can also make this for a Happy Birthday, and also to display a welcome sentiment or greeting on it. So here I'm going to write Crystal Crafts with my black marker. So I'm going to freehand write it. So here I've written my channel's name. So next we're going to cut the letters out from the felt with the scissor. So here I have cut all the letters out from the felt, so which spells my channel's name. We're going to add some green glitter on it to make it prettier. So we're going to add some glue on it. I'm using Scotch glue, and I'm going to apply the glue over the letters. So I'm going to apply this pretty green glitter over the letters. So you can slightly press the glitter on the letters so that it sticks on it. So next we are going to do this to all the letters. So here we have all the letters covered with glitter. So to give dimension to our letters, I'm going to add foam pieces on the back of the letters. So here I'm going to take this foam and I'm going to cut out strips from it. I'm going to stick the strips on the back of the letters. We are going to stick the letters on our letterboard which we had made. So we are going to stick the letters all along the middle strip of the letterboard. So with my strong tape runner, I'm going to apply it on the middle strip a little bit, and I'm going to stick the letter on top of it. So we're going to stick all the other letters in the similar way. We are going to decorate the border of our letterboard with this beautiful golden glitter tape. So here our letterboard is all completed and it's looking really pretty. And you can make this for any occasion like Merry Christmas, Happy Birthday, Welcome, or any other occasion. You can also hang these letters on the walls to make it pretty. So you have couple of options to consider. You can subscribe to my channel by clicking the button below the video and also click the bell notification icon so that you never miss a video. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to Crystal Craft.